she'll be able to figure it out.
Hi, Papa. You're on video. Hi, Kimmy.
Hi.
A queen smoking.
Oh, don't get me smoking. I told you that.
Why?
Because I don't like the looks of that on her kid movies. Well, you do it first.
Don't bother me. Takes my picture smoking.
What's Papa?
Ooh.
Yes? You gotta ask Nanny Kathleen to make a speech and Papa Jim to make a speech. So
Me
you can add
to
it in.
make a speech.
I don't make speeches.
Say anything.
I just did.
Not
I don't make